Okay. हो रही है. Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy and people who are watching our video for the first time. आपको क्या करना है? आपको पता है.
Like, subscribe and comment.
और घंटा भूल गए?
घंटा बजा देना भाई साहब.
That is extremely important, guys. घंटा बजाए बिना मत जाना.
Bell icon.
Yes, press the bell icon. And guys, it was my birthday, so kindly wish me. Thank you,
You
thank you,
already
thank
have
you.
wished
Happy
many
birthday,
times. Come
happy
on.
birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. यार मैं, you know, I will look forward to the comments. You know, after this video, how many people are actually commenting and wishing me birthday. So thank you in advance. And guys, Sharma ji is telling me that I look like a Santa Claus. Do I? That too also comment and tell me, do I look like a Santa Claus? Christmas is...
Because of the color I'm saying. See, what color she's wearing and it just make me remind the Christmas time and the Santa coming with the candies in his hand. And she's coming with the mic in her hand.
I think I look nice in this different color.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. So let's jump into today's discussion. And are we looking nice? And there's this lady sitting just behind us with her ass out. And she is sitting just behind Sharma ji. Sharma ji, क्या चक्कर है यार?
मेरी दीवानी है वो. मेरे पीछे पीछे रहती है हमेशा.
Okay. So guys, today what we're going to discuss is going to benefit you because we understand a lot of people who have lost their jobs during pandemic, who are not able to get business, a lot of people who are doing business and are into losses. This will help you, and this will help you not only in Senegal but also in African countries. Okay, so you can talk about other countries as well. This is business opportunities, and the best part is not just business opportunities, how you can start business with small investment and at a smaller scale. So that is what something different that we are bringing to you. And the first topic that we're going to discuss is agriculture, and as a very good wife, co-host, okay,
Wife on videos.
So I'm going to give the mic to Sharma ji for the first topic discussion.
So guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and today's episode is special. Please do like, subscribe and share the video so that other people can also start a business because of you. So guys, why agriculture today? Because agriculture is something which government is promoting here in Senegal, and Senegal need agriculture because the first thing, government is providing so many incentives. They are providing so many schemes under this agriculture program, where even you can have, the land is very cheap. First of all, I'll tell you, the land is the most important thing in the agriculture, and the land is cheap. Moreover, government is providing the scheme under which you can take a land on the lease basis, where you can take a lease from the government and do agriculture here.
Yeah, so government is incentivizing you guys.
Yes, they're helping you to start and do things, and they'll help you. Also, in order to do this agriculture business, you need machinery, whatever things you need from anywhere, from India or anywhere, you want to import them. In that also they're giving you exemptions. Not in agriculture, any manufacturing unit you put in Senegal, you'll get incentives, you'll get exemption in the taxes, where you don't have to pay taxes right now. After maybe 3 years, when you start earning money from the businesses, you can pay your things that time. So the other things I want to tell you about the land. The land here is completely virgin, never has been used for the agriculture purposes. And after this, Lucy is about to catch my mic, so I'll give her a mic back.
Thank you. Guys, because the next topic that we have for you, the next business opportunity, it is a big relief for me if any one of you can start here. Stationery, paper, office stationery, school stationery, any stationery, okay? It is such a big problem for us because it is too expensive, or either it is cheap and very bad quality. So you have European kind of products, and you have Chinese products.
Cheap is the cheap which we are saying the cheap. It's not the cheap which you say in India cheap, right?
Okay, हो गया तुम्हारा. So if you talk about European products, they are expensive. The quality is good, but if you talk about Chinese products, the product quality is so bad, I can't tell you. And my two kids, not my, R. Hopefully, right?
That is why I given her mic for this topic, because see, the mother understand this topic more.
Yeah.
They go to the school,
Okay.
buy things.
He understands our pain. So basically, what I want to tell you is 2 kids of ours go to school and we go to a stationery shop and we are, done with the money that we have. We have to spend so much here. I mean, if you talk about color pencils, if you talk about sketch pen, it works for 2 days, 3 days, and European, it works well, but then it is so expensive. I buy pencil colors for my kids and I sharpen them. And every time I sharpen, the lid breaks. So you can imagine the quality of the product as well. And there are some Chinese outlets which sell these products, but again, the quality is really bad. Parents like us, they are very irritated and frustrated because of the prices and the quality. So guys, our product is unmatchable, and definitely if you guys start, it will definitely give you results. Sometimes I'm so frustrated that I tell Sharma ji, why don't you import stationery?
Yeah, guys, can you imagine $10 you are paying for the sketch pen and your son bring that sketch pen tonight and tomorrow morning it's not working? You know the kids, right? They're so irritating at time. I say, "Abbe, $5,000 सेफा का है, मत कर ऐसे." वो करते हैं, they do.
5,000 sefa.
5,000 sefa,
5,000 sefa, which is in Indian rupees.
It's like 10 is equal to $10, right?
$10 Indian rupees में 700 rupees.
Yeah.
700 rupees. So I mean, just look at it. 700 rupees gone.
For the sketch pens, just sketching the pen. So,
Okay. So guys, I think look into that. The third product that we really would be happy.
जो
And
इसका अभी निकला है ना लास्ट वीक में, उसके बारे में बात कर रही हो आपसे. वो क्या निकला है आप बताओ.
happy birthday to you. Ta-dang. Okay, guys. Really, when we go and buy birthday products, we go and buy birthday gifts, we go and buy birthday bags, return
Candles.
gifts, candles,
Disposable plates.
whatever you may call it. Oh my
The
God.
cake is more cheaper than the other things. Plate is expensive than the cake. Can you imagine? So हम कहते हैं एक प्लेट को धो के यूज़ करो.
No, once we did that, huh?
एक बार हुआ ऐसा कि हमारा प्लेट कम पड़ गया था, इतना एक्सपेंसिव है, अच्छा धो के दोबारा यूज़ कर लो.
वो भी paper plates. We clean the paper plates and because kids will break the कांच का plate.
नहीं वो तो बर्थडे में तो पेपर प्लेट्स ही मिलता है ना, उस पर वो स्पाइडरमैन सुपरमैन वाले जो प्लेट्स होते हैं वो एक्सपेंसिव है, तो हमने कहा चलो यार हम लोग 10 ले लेते, 10 बच्चे आएंगे, अब वो 10 को और चाहिए, उसके बाद हम धो के उनको देते रहे.
Yeah. So the other thing is that all these products are very expensive. Bicycles, for example, हमको यहाँ पे 3 साल हो चुके हैं, and 3 साल में I have bought at least 4 bicycles for my child. And either you will get Chinese product which will work only a month.
नहीं, बट बाईसाइकिल हमने 3 साल में जो 4 लिए उसका रीज़न ये है मेरा बच्चा बड़ा भी हो रहा है. That is also one reason, but the
No.
quality is not good.
Yeah, and there are outlets which are selling Chinese products and which last only for a month or maybe 15 days. How can you? Yeah, it is like that. The first
The
bicycle
quality is
that
not
we
good, right? In
bought.
India, if I remember, in India I used to have Atlas cycle in India, Hero cycle in India.
Ah, what a quality! The person will die, but the cycle will remain there.
अभी तक मेरे पास बचपन में शायद हमारे घर में कोई साइकिल पड़ी है वो वाली.
Yeah, maybe some grandfather used to ride that bicycle and it will still remain. But here, man, I'm telling you, I feel so frustrated that I feel like going to that outlet and throwing that man selling the cycle away.
No, either you go and buy a most expensive cycles here, which is like selling a kidney and buying a cycle.
Yeah.
Equal to that price. 20,000 rupees. If you spend 20,000 rupees, Indian rupees, to buy a bच्चे का cycle, is better
And
you
those
buy
are
a
huge
Activa for
brands.
yourself.
Those are huge brands like Decathlon. They are selling at high prices. I mean, we are already having good products. Guys, just bring it here. Okay, bring it here. Start something. The car toys, for kids, small kids, 3 years, 4 years. That's for how much?
See, if I tell you that the remote control वाला कार जो हम लोग को बचपन में मिलता था, क्वालिटी वर्स्ट, उसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक का लेयर चढ़ा हुआ, प्लास्टिक नहीं चढ़ा, उसका लेयर है, उस पर ऐसे बच्चा हाथ मारेगा टूट जाएगा वो. वो 5,000 सेफा की 5,000 सेफा which is equal
Again
to
700.
700 600 rupees 700 rupees, right? So you're spending 700 rupees getting this stupid car
We
which is
have-
not lasting a 30 minutes, right?
Absolutely. We have stopped buying toys for our kids. It doesn't last, and we don't want to go and spend so much. And at the end,
And
kids.
this product I'm talking right now is a Chinese one. If you same category, you see a French version or the American version kind of car that is for 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, which is a quality wise, it's better than 100 times better than that. But the same quality which we are buying in 2,000 rupees a car, you can buy that Indian kind of make in 700, 800 rupees easily in India.
So, guys, save us, save our lives, do something about it. Okay. The next product that we want to discuss is again, which is important for me, and but Sharma ji pays for it. So, home utilities, household things, and मच्छर की कहानी जो है शर्मा जी की ज़ुबानी ज़रा सुनिए. या हम भी यार शायर हैं. अरे कभी मैं आपको पोयम भी सुनाऊंगी, मैं पोयम भी लिखती हूँ. बट लेट्स गो टू द प्रोडक्ट.
पोएम इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं, मेरे को थोड़ा समझ नहीं आता वो. अच्छा, फिल्म में ना एक डायलॉग है नाना पाटेकर का, अगर आपको याद हो तो, एक मच्छर भी साला आदमी को हिजड़ा बना देता है.
भाई ये बोलने में क्या है?
तो मच्छर की कहानी हमारी जुबानी. मच्छर ने ज़िंदगी इतना परेशान करा हुआ ना, यहाँ पे इतने मच्छर है अफ्रीका में. इफ़ यू हैव टू कम टू सेनेगल, यू हैव टू गेट योर येलो फीवर वैक्सीनेशन डन बिफोर यू गो टू एनीवेयर इन अफ्रीका. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ मस्किटोज. Malaria, everything here is a lot. So mosquito is the biggest problem here in this country. And sir, I'll tell you honestly, if you go and buy a good mosquito ka machine with liquid, you have to pay at least 700, 800 rupees to just buy that refill and this thing, machine. So,
And the other thing is they burn the coil. There are coils which are not healthy. Kachwa chap, and which are not healthy. So the poor people, they are burning coils.
And that is expensive, huh? 50 rupees ka coil. No, 70 rupees ka coil ka packet, 10 pieces ka. In India, I think is much cheaper, huh?
Yeah, so that is very expensive, and I would like to tell them something. The first time when we shifted to Senegal, the first night was a horrifying night, because next morning when we got up, my son, he had your full danas.
One side.
Only one
side
side.
of the face.
So we thought it is chicken pox or something, and I was like shit scared.
We took a photo of his, and we sent it to the family doctor in India. Then he said it's not that, it's something else, maybe mosquitoes. So
And I was still not able to digest mosquitoes, and that too, it covered half face. The mosquito bite covered half of his face, and in 2 days it vanished. But that is what the story is about, guys.
A lot of mosquitoes.
Household utilities are very expensive here. The quality isn't good. Chinese products people use.
अरे I'll tell you, Chinese machines, so Chinese का ना यहाँ पे बहुत सस्ता आता है Chinese वालों का. It's like very cheap here.
10 minutes, guys. He wants to say hi to all of you. Say hi.
सही बोलो हाय.
Hi.
साबी बोलो हाय.
Hi guys. So
और हम लोग ना इंटरप्ट कर रहे हैं अपने मम्मा पापा को वीडियो बनाने में, जैसे ऑलवेज
so
करते
we
हैं.
are party. हम party इतने
अभी डांस करेंगे.
अभी करेंगे, ठीक है? Let's just
So
finish
guys,
this video.
bye. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much. You are very good kids.
सो गाइस, एज आई वाज सेइंग, मस्किटो मशीन, मैंने चाइनीज़ वाला मशीन लिया एक दिन, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा चीप था, सस्ता था करके, तो ले लिया मैंने. उसको लगाया अपने रूम में. कैन यू इमेजिन, उसको सोफ़ा समझ के मच्छर उसके ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं. और जो भी आदमी यहाँ पे सेनेगल में रहता है ना, वो मेरी बात से एग्री करेगा, यहाँ का मच्छर बड़ा बदतमीज़ है. वो काटता नहीं है, कान के पास घों घों मतलब ही जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड हेयर नियर माई ईयर एंड जस्ट डूइंग घों घों. आई सेड भाई काट और जा. भाई काट और जा, ख़त्म कर अपनी ड्यूटी यार, क्यों परेशान कर रहा है मुझे.
He does the same with me. He's just like ghong ghong, but doesn't do anything and irritates me all the time. Okay, so guys, another thing under home utilities you will not imagine, the liquid which comes for cleaning your utensils. You know, here the maid use so much. They create a bathtub, jhag full of bathtub. Bathtub full of jhag, and you know they use it so much that
The washroom
our
sink as a bathtub.
yeah. And 1 liter ka madar.
Yeah, maybe 1 liter, yes.
1 liter liquid they use in 15 to 20 days and it's done. And it is so expensive. Even the pocha, that is so expensive.
I don't know, yaar. That I never understood. पोछा इतना महंगा कि टी शर्ट खरीद सकते हो आप उससे.
मैं तो सौरभ की टी शर्ट में फाड़ कर उसको पोछा बना देती हूँ. मैं बोली कौन जाकर मील फ्रा का पोछा लेकर आएगा यार. मील फ्रा
की टी शर्ट नहीं आती यार, महंगी होती है.
एब्सोल्युटली नो. इसकी जो पुरानी टी शर्ट्स है कभी मैं पोछा बना देती हूँ, इसको पता भी नहीं चलता है, बाद में ही रियलाइजेस. सो पोछा, झाड़ू. झाड़ू इज द मील. मील सेंसा द मील विच इज हाउ मच?
2 मील इज इक्वल टू 300 रुपीज़.
300 रुपीज़ मतलब आप लगा लो 250 से 300 रुपये. इवन जो डिश वॉशर के लिए वो जूना आता है ना, व्हाट यू कॉल दैट डिश वॉशर क्लीनिंग, व्हाट यू कॉल
बर्तन धोने का जूना.
हाँ, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
जूना ही बोलता हूँ, इंग्लिश वाला जूना.
Guys, basically the material with which you clean your utensils, even that is expensive.
That made of plastic.
Absolutely.
Plastic thread.
That is also meal fra. So guys, I am fed up paying so much. You guys need to find a solution. Get into manufacturing.
Manufacturing. Small
Start
manufacturing.
small setups, small manufacturing. 10 lakh से भी नीचे का amount लगा के you can start up a
something
manufacturing
small.
setup.
It will take time.
And think different. Like for example, the Juna that I told you, we have much better Junas. Oh my God, we get those plastic Junas, which is like round, and you do one ghiso and the bartan is clean.
Work is done, yeah.
And here you put bathtub full of liquid, and you put that sponge for cleaning utensils, and you have to go on. It doesn't come out. Then I have to use the lohe ka Juna. And the worst part is that we have seen all these products in India, better quality, best price, and that what hurts us to
Even
pay here.
after using, I am buying a French product, the European product also, but after using them, now I am back liking my own product where I was using in India. We were using in India, yeah. Seriously, they were much better than what they are good. So, but I was more happy to use my own product. I don't know why. It's not about I'm emotionally connected with the product or Nirma का ad देख के मुझे याद आया था. Nirma का गाना कौन सा था? Nirma का गाना
Washing powder,
Nirma. Washing powder Nirma. नील सी सफेदी.
पूरा गाना गाएगा अब ये.
नहीं क्या था? नील सी सफेदी निरमा से आई, कपड़ों का रंग खिल जाए यार, ऐसे कुछ था. Come on dude.
ठीक है, जो मैं
चलो whatever it is.
अभी आपको गाना भी सुनाऊंगी. By the way.
ये इसको लगती है ये बातें सारी, पता सच्चाई नहीं है इसमें कोई बात में. जो खुद ही बोल रहा है कि मेरी आवाज़ अच्छी, मैं अच्छा गाती हूँ, मेरे को पोएम आती है, तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. इट्स ओके.
मल्टी टैलेंटेड. उसमें तुम क्यों जल रहे हो? Okay guys, multi-talented. I know a lot of you guys are also very multi-talented. People who are, well educated and think that these small things, making sabun or making liquid or doing agriculture is small. Guys, this is the future. Pandemic has shown you that, no job is cheap or no job is small. Okay, everything is for your family and for yourself. So guys, I hope you would have liked our video. Do share our video and make
comment whatever the new businesses idea you have.
Yeah, this is something which
want to discuss and us to do a R&D for you guys. We can do that, no problem.
Guys, do comment what part of the video did you like, and what else would you like us to cover in our videos. But this time we thought a lot of people who are there, who are searching for a job or opportunities. So this was for you guys.
So be safe. Coronavirus is there.
Take it seriously.
Stay home.
Until next video, take care. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.